Hello students. So what we will do is today we will discuss a DT based video on large language models. Particularly what we will do is we will compare the open source models with closed source models. So first we will discuss about what are large language models. So what is a large language model? Any example? ChatGPT, Gemini, any other example? Claude. So there are many LLMs. So are these LLMs free to use?
No.
You have to pay some amount. For certain use case, you can use it for free. For example, Claude, if you take it, it is based on token. So certain token you can use for free. Otherwise, you have to pay. ChatGPT or Gemini is free to a certain extent, but if you are creating an image or you are doing some other task, you have to pay it. So it is a paid service. Are there any free LLMs available? There are free LLMs available, but it is not available to general public as it is. What you have to do is you have to download them and use it. So those are called as open source LLM. Open source is nothing but they will give the entire source code to you. You can do modification or anything with that open source platform, provided you don't commercialize it. For example, if there is a software like Python, it is open source. You can download and free it for any number of years. It is free to you, similar to Linux, something like that. Any other open source software you are using for programming? Turbo C, it's a open source software. For Java, Anaconda, very good. Anaconda, Jupyter notebooks. There are many open source software. Closed source software. VS Code. VS Code is a closed source software. For editing documents, what you are using? Adobe. So those are all closed source. So now you understand the difference. So if I need to go free of charges or free of privacy, for example, if I send something to Gemini, do you think it is private or it will be shared with Google? It is Google which shared with Google. If you take OpenAI, it is actually a ad-based service. So whatever you search in OpenAI, next day you can see the ads coming to you. So it is ad-based service. Your data is not private at all. For example, imagine there is a hospital. They are sharing the medical records, or your defense country, India's defense secrets, they are sharing with OpenAI. What happens? Do you think it will be kept as secret? No. It will be shared. So that is a major concern. So what you have to do is you have to have a private source. So for that, what we can do?
Make an own local.
We can go for local models, open source models. So in the sense, you need not train the model from the beginning. Okay. So there are open source models which are pre-trained. You can download them and use it on your own system. So there is no need for internet. So you need not share your data with anybody. Whatever data you send to LLM, it will be available in your system or will be shared to somebody. It will be in your own software. So it can be used in multiple applications like hospitals or defense sector or even companies where company secrets should not go somewhere else. So that is the use of OpenAI. Any example do you know for OpenAI? Hugging Face, super. So in Hugging Face you can download the models freely. Other than that, mention something about Ollama. So Ollama is a model provider from Facebook, Meta actually, but it is an open source platform. You can download models and use it directly. So what is the use case for this we will discuss. Okay, so as I said, hospital, defense. Can you imagine any other use case where these open models can be used? Education system, where cost is a major role. For example, if you take a college sector, take your students itself. You have students. If you have to pay for everything, then it will be difficult for you. If you have an open source model, then you can ask queries to it repeatedly at any point of time without paying. So that is the advantage. Any other examples?
Startups.
Startups. So for startups, it is a major idea because we can use it for free. When you need to scale up, then you can go for paid service. So that is the applications of this open source softwares. So this is the discussion regarding closed AI and OpenAI. Hope you are able to distinguish between those two. But there are some disadvantage with OpenAI also because you have to use it on your system. So then you need the required, what you need? Hardware. What hardware actually?
GPU.
GPU. You need graphics processor. Without graphics processor, what happens?
It will not not work properly. It takes a huge time to perform.
It will run out of performance. The token will be generated very slowly. So those are the drawbacks, but there are advantages too. So based on your application, if you are a student or if you are a startup or you are in a healthcare, then you can go for OpenAI. If you are in an enterprise, you have a plan from the company, then you can go for closed source because they are highly capable models. You cannot compare open source model with a closed source model because the Claude is a very advanced model compared to any open source model. So those are advantage and disadvantage. You have to think and work on your own. I hope it was useful to you. Thank you, students.